Good morning. It is our first full day in Cornwall. I was the first one to sleep last night and now I'm the last one awake because Emma's not in here. It's currently 11:15. I can hear them having breakfast downstairs. I'm gonna go join them in a minute. Last night, that was interesting. Hopefully the whole week's not like that. I have to talk really quietly because the walls are so thin. We don't have any plans for today at the moment. We are just chilling and then we are gonna go food tripping at some point. That's all I do now because we're gonna have a Sunday roast. I'm a bit scared, but hopefully it will be good. We are just watching TV, but Granddad's TV. My outfit today doesn't look very nice, but it's gonna have to do. So I'm wearing this really cute top that Daisy got me at charity shop. The brand is Together. And then these cargo camo trousers, which have a cool detailing. It really reminds me of Bratz, the trousers.
So from, can't see it this way around, from Nuki, from there, between 3 and 5 downwards.
Where you spend the night?
Not tonight.
Why not?
I just don't think it's a good idea for me to sleep over anymore, you know?
No, I don't know. Why? You've been sleeping over since you were 7. It's Saturday night.
Things change, Dawson. Evolve.
What are you talking about?
Sleeping in the same bed was fine when we were kids, but we're 15 now.
I have just put on Dawson's Creek because Emma is upstairs. Granddad's just going to get his coat, so we're gonna watch some Dawson's Creek for a bit. But we are going to a beach in a minute. It is pissing down with rain though, so we're probably not gonna go outside on the beach, but just gonna have a look. I might try go swimming later because there is a pool where we are staying. And yeah, we're having a roast for dinner, so we also need to go shopping to get stuff for that, but I don't really like roast. Oh no, it won't focus.
Lifeguard, what's he think he's doing? There's nobody out there swimming, is there?
Yeah, people are surfing. Oh no.
Troubled state of mind.
Maybe she's
Because an explanation for my behavior. I was hoping that maybe I could get by with a simple apology. And hope that
So it'll be open tomorrow, which is good.
Oh, it's nice, isn't it?
It is.